What's up, everyone? I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another lovely day at the track. We are here at the wonderful Yamaha days at Sonoma Raceway. We've been specially invited to come out and ride our Yamaha only day at their Yamaha only day on the wonderful MT-09. I've been in love with this thing today, and Wagner's been on the R3 today, so it's been a great day. It's warming up, I'll tell you guys. It's about just about 90 degrees right now, so it's a little hot out. So once you get moving, we can kind of start to get that breeze from us. But this is again right where the get held up a little bit, get a clearing. All right, so we are off. Get some heat in the tires real quick. Stay to the far right, to the right, right. Oh, we're to the left. Oh, Jesus. I gotta learn my rights and lefts. All right. So we are back on, and there's a yellow up here already. So we got a little crashy. Yes, we do. Few crashes today. Whew. I think see, there's another one there. I think, you know, people come out of here after Moto America weekend wanting to be like Josh Hayes, and just overcook it a little bit. So we're taking it easy. Me and Wagner, we've been riding in the B group today. Get these tires up to temp. So lovely talk with Chad with PCP. They are our preferred Yamaha dealer, so huge shout out again to Chad and Anthony and everyone that takes care of us over at PCP. Well, without you guys, we wouldn't have this lovely bike to ride. Chad just gave us an incredible deal on this MT-09 when Wagner was looking for a commuter bike last year. So, let me tell you, it's worth the trek. If you guys are looking for a Yamaha, Kawasaki, or Suzuki, hit up PCP because they're a great dealer, and Chad will give you some great numbers. So Mike Abbott's looking at a brand new R6, so he's over talking to Chad too. So but huge shout out. I mean, they got, I'm not sure how random or if they picked Wagner. But regardless, I talked about in the last video, Wagner got chosen for the Speedy leathers from PCP, so that was very nice. But we're hoping to be able to bring some stuff to the channel with PCP, so give us a thumbs up. Let's like this video for PCP, because it'd be very nice to work with them in the future on the channel. So I let a little bit of air out of the tires on the MT. We're running about 30, and I chopped it down to about 28. And then I started moving around a little bit. So I wasn't sure exactly what the issue was, but it feels a little better now. Get a little rider off there. Oh, that's one of our crashes. About it earlier, so that's about it for the straight. That back straight's got a little straight to it, but there's not much to this track. I mean, to straights. This is kind of a flowing technical track, so we're working out. So that's why I love being on this MT-09, because the MT-09, just a fucking, oh, excuse my words, it's just fucking amazing. And it steers so great, you know. We got these larger bars, so I'm able to get steering. That was horrible, but we can get steered into some of these tighter corners a little bit tighter. So it's really, really nice. So I'm really digging the MT-09 today. Partner was like, take the R3 out, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna stick with my, I'm gonna stick with the MT-09. So here we are, MT-09'd out. So we're not at a Cali Track Days, so passing is a little more lenient than we are, but it's all right. It's all right. We're good. We're good. Look, I just got to stay on my lines and not worry about what other people are doing. Just stay on my lines. Stay on my lines, baby. So this Yamaha Day is 14th year that Yamaha has provided these days here with this organization at Sonoma. So very nice to have. Yamaha providing this. I mean, this is amazing. I wish that we could get a little bit more Yamaha I wish that we can get a little bit more Yamaha street riding stuff, but you know, there's a lot of track bikes out here today. And as you guys know, I'm not a competitive rider. I give my cushions, I give my space. I love my space. I want to give space. And today, I would say, is the first time in almost a year and a half that I've ridden with this many racers. And I could be enjoying it more, but it's what it is, you know. I like what Cali Track Days provides with our passing. It's very nice and big, and we make it very clear. So if you guys are noticing some of the tighter passings, you know, it's you know, different organizations have different rules and different allowances. So it's what it is, you know. But needless to say, I'm at Sonoma Raceway on this beautiful MT-09. Yes! I haven't been here in a year and a half. I talked about it in the last video. If you guys haven't seen it, hit that subscribe button. Watch some of our videos because I'm on track a lot. We've got a great collection, great selection in the collection. From the lovely MT-09 to the Time of the Fierce R3, BMW S1000RR, the GSX-R 1000, the Kawasaki 300's coming to the channel. Stay tuned because I'm going to be putting that finally back together very soon. So stay tuned for the Kawi 300. But my very first time on this track, I've ridden, of course, today the MT-09. I've ridden my GSX-R 1000 here and my BMW S1000. And I'll tell you, the GSX-R 1000, it was a struggle through here. I mean, this is a turning track. So turning that big old GSX-R 1000, it's tough, man. It's tough. But I really like the BMW turns really, really well. So I love that BMW. I love the S1000 out here. My very first track day, well, all right, so my very first track day ever in life was right here at Sears Point Raceway in 1999 on a GSX-R 1100. Yes, a GSX-R 1100. My very second track day ever in life was right here at Infineon Raceway, aka Sears Point, aka now known as Sonoma Raceway, Infineon Raceway, and it was on my 2010 BMW S1000. And then I've been here 2 other times on the BMW S1000RR, the 2015 and the 07 GSX-R 1000. Dito with Got Blue Milk. Gotta get my turn 2 picks. It's nice to not have a vest on today. I'll tell you, it's nice to come out and just ride with you guys. You know, usually with Cali track days, you never know what can happen, and I can start a video with working with somebody, and then the video ends in a recovery of sorts, or you know, a one-way conversation with somebody. So you never know what's gonna happen when I've got the vest on, right? And so it's nice to be able to be here. We're completely uninterrupted and just running round and round and round we go. So I hope you guys are enjoying the uninterrupted broadcast. I'm starting to enjoy this bike on this track right now. I'm starting to kind of figure out, you know, apex are a little bit different on this bike comparatively to, like, if I was on a R3 or the BMW, you know, because this bike I'm much more upright. The bike is up much more upright, you know, because I can't lean it over. We've got foot pegs we have to worry about that are too low. So we've got to kind of keep the bike more upright. I'm able to get my body position over enough, but the bike's got to kind of stay low. But we did see our checker coming through the start finish, so this is our final lap. And I believe we have been away from home for the last 4 days, and we're ready to head home. We're ready to head home, guys. We've been out here at Moto America the last 2 days, so we're tired, man. So I think this is Wagner already tapped out, and this is my final session. So I hope you guys enjoyed the ride around Sonoma Raceway. Give you guys a little different scenery, but a huge shout out to Yamaha for this amazing day. PCP Motorsports for this amazing day. Just an amazing day. It's just been a great day to sit and watch racing all weekend here, and then be able to spend the day. It's almost worthless. So thanks for coming along on another wonderful ride here on the track. Cali Moto TV will be back out at Thunder Hill in September. So you guys may not see any track videos in the next couple, I mean, you'll see these obviously, but I won't be on track for another month. So we've got a month off from track riding. But when we get back out, we will be at Thunder Hill. And who knows, maybe we'll have a new bike out there. But the MT-09 has been a wonderful bike today. Look at those road 5s. Look at that. These things have like some serious miles on it. I think we've got like 8,000 miles on these tires. But the MT-09, thanks little buddy for the ride today. Two Bros Racing, Flash Tune. It's just this bike is just it, man. I love this bike. And of course the R3. Eddie did some paint work for us. We redid the tank, and the tail got a little retouch. So we've got some more neon and some gray up here. The tail was all white, but got a little retouch. And of course we had to get a new tank cover because, well, the body kit with how it was is but then again, we've got our Two Bros pipe on this guy. Two Bros sent me a full system for this guy too. So what a wonderful day, guys. Thanks for coming along with me. Hope you guys liked the video. As always, please hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Leave me a comment down below. But until next video, we will see you probably on the street. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned.